first of all, very few concepts are universally acceptable. Right? It is believed that it's a great concept. Wherever you open it, right, it will be damn profitable. That's not true. If you open a great nightclub in a West Delhi, the fact remains that people from West Delhi prefer to travel to South Delhi to party. Right? And that has been the case because people prefer, and so that's a very notional aspect of things, but people prefer the crowd in South Delhi. Right? And that will always be true. Now, for some places, this rule does not follow, which is when you try to enhance a product which has been universally accepted. So right now, if you look at the market, beer is a product which has been universally accepted and is being enjoyed by everyone, no matter if he stays in Noida, South Delhi, Gurgaon, West Delhi, Central Delhi, right? And from what we have seen in the market, the improvement in beer has been microbreweries, right? So I'm just going to show you the chart of the popularity of a microbrewery in a very, very dead mall, okay, in the corner of Gurgaon, to a nightclub which has opened in South Delhi, right? So nightclubs in South Delhi are very popular, but they are one in, let's say, 200, okay? Now the microbrewery is a product enhancement for the consumer, right? So he will go and try the new product at each and every microbrewery, right? And so I assume a lot of you people know which is a microbrewery I'm talking about in a dead mall in Gurgaon, and that has picked up in popularity literally exponentially, right? And if you compare it to a major nightclub in South Delhi, it hasn't picked up that well, right? So this is an example where the concept has done well no matter where it opens. Right? So there are new microbreweries which are coming up in Faridabad. Whenever something comes up in CP, in spite of the fact that there's a Route 04, there's a My Bar, right? The microbrewery is bound to do well, right? Based on the fact that it's properly executed, right? The service, the product, the ambience are good. Okay. So since success depends a lot, as I said, on what the customers are willing to accept, there are some factors or some trends you should always keep in mind before you try to be too adventurous, right? So given the huge amount of data that we churn, I went through some facts on the cuisine, okay, for different parts of Delhi. So what I did was I compared the popularity of cuisines in an ambience mall, which is a typical mall, high footfall a location where the businesses thrive because of the footfall. And the second is a Khan market, which is a market. It's not a mall. So if you see ambience mall, this is for Gurgaon. So you see the American and Mexican cuisines there are doing exceptionally well, followed by Italian and European. Whereas if you compare it to Khan market, which is in South Delhi, which caters to a much higher income group, right? The Italian and European cuisines are doing far better than any other cuisine, right? So these are some things to keep in mind when you think of a new concept, a new product to launch in the market.